Wow! Here's the update of my mom's little garden. Look at this eggplant. There's so many flowers now. There you go. Dami ng bulaklak. Ayun, the eggplant. And she have kiwi right there. Kiwi. Oh, the malunggay. Kangkong. Talbos. Chili. Alugbati. Kalamansi. Wow. Oh. And then strawberry. And then squash. She's harvesting right now. Nag-harvest na si Madir. And then sili to na, diba? Sili. Talbos. Okra. Okra. Alugbati.
Ano halo natin kangkong?
Talbos. Yung kangkong mo, bagong kangkong. Okra. Puro gulay. Always vegetables, guys. Vegetables. Oh, there's a new one here. Nayo, yung malunggay is more taller than you now. Oh, the alugbati na yun. Oh, wow. Fresh na fresh.